Welcome to Pocket Women Lockpicking and Lock Sport. Today is Shoutout Monday, Starrylocks Shoutout Monday, the day we feature lock sporters that have under 100 subscribers. Now anyone can be a part of this series, you just need to let us know who you are. So you can nominate yourself to be part of the shout out on the Monday, or you can nominate another channel. Now today's channel was nominated by Deadlocks. Let me just get here. Now Deadlocks is a fun channel. They get up into all sorts of mischief. The channel they have nominated for today is Locks and Other Hobbies. A very interesting channel, I must say. I have been checking them out. Now, just move that down to there. A bit like that. Techie side of things here, getting organised. Here's what they've got. They've got quite a handful of videos, Locks and Other Hobbies. As you can see, one of the main hobbies is making balloon animals, objects, showing you how to do things like that, but also is quite into lock picking. Variety of locks, Master 570s, 75, 75s, Brinks, Sergeant, lots of different locks there. So the video that I would like you to have a look at, to go over and subscribe to leave your comment on, that you were sent there by a Starrylock on the Shoutout Monday series, is this one here. Adventures in Lockpicking, hashtag 18 Sergeant Cabinet Lock. So let's have a little look at that right here.
First off, the tension wrench kept slipping. But more importantly, as I went through it, I noticed that it didn't feel like there was any security pins in there that would keep me from breaking this lock open.
Right, just a little tickler there. So head on over to Locks and Hobbies, Locks and Other Hobbies. Join in on the Shoutout Monday series. Enjoy the channel. Let's get this right. Thanks for watching, everyone. There'll be another Shoutout Monday later on today. I'm in the Southern Hemisphere. This one comes out first. Starrylock will put out another one later today in the Northern Hemisphere. And you'll also have another chance to enter the giveaway through that shoutout as well. Thanks for watching, everyone. Stay legal. Temptation is everywhere.